I'm Rob Whitfield with the Orange County Register, and welcome to OC&2 for Thursday, August 28th. Orange County law enforcement has put out new guidelines on medical marijuana only days after the state attorney general issued a new directive. Under new guidelines, shops that sell or distribute marijuana won't be allowed to make a financial profit, and marijuana can only grow in a pharmaceutical setting by the patient or caregiver. No outside party can legally deal or grow marijuana. Attorney General Jerry Brown hopes the new guidelines will soothe tension between state and federal authorities. Developers and environmentalists are fighting over the use of Banning Ranch, a 400-acre patch of gullies, wetlands, and oil drilling fields that border the city of Costa Mesa. The Newport Banning Ranch company insists that the land should be used to build homes and a small resort. Environmentalists argue Orange County has such little open coastal space left, and developers should let it be. The project has yet to be approved by the California Coastal Commission. Nude beachgoers at San Onofre State Beach can still let it all hang out. A judge has ruled the state park can only cite sunbathers in the nude if a private citizen complains. Earlier this year, there had been complaints about lewd behavior on the beach, so the State Department of Parks and Recreation took action, saying it would outlaw all nudity. However, the Naturalist Action Committee counterattacked and filed a lawsuit insisting nudity could not be banned without public feedback. Santa Ana Unified School District is on a mission to make sure student athletes are safe and prepared for an emergency. Staff at all 6 high schools in the district have been trained to use an automated external defibrillator, normally used by first responders such as police, flight attendants, or athletic coaches to treat victims of sudden cardiac arrest. Each school will be equipped with 3 AEDs, 1 for nurses, 1 for the athletics office, and 1 for trainers. Newly released details of an agreement between the Orange County Sheriff's Department and day worker groups represented by the ACLU say the workers have the right to solicit on public sidewalks in Lake Forest as long as they abide by city laws. The agreement comes more than a year after the ACLU filed the federal lawsuit in Santa Ana on behalf of day worker groups. At issue was an ordinance that barred laborers from soliciting work on Lake Forest sidewalks. The ACLU released the statement Wednesday after a tentative settlement was reached before the county, the sheriff's office, and day laborers were set for trial on August 19th. Weekdays, watch Daybreak OC from 6 to 8 a.m. on KDOC and catch Real Orange weekday evenings to 6:30 on KOCE. To read more about all of these stories and get your breaking news all day, click on OCRegister.com.